1, 2, 3, go, jump, yeah, very good. 1, 2, 3, go, jump, woohoo.
Okay, guys.
Jump, guys, 1, 2, 3, yes. Hey, there, here, come on, oh, very nice, good. Okay, stop. Okay, come on, forward, guys. Once again, forward, faster, forward. हमारे साथ में कौन है? हाँ, हम लोग हैं। मैं हूँ। आप लोग किधर गए?
नहीं इधर ही है ना।
इधर। ये पैडल किधर से लिया?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಬರಬೇಡ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಿ ನೀನು
ನಾವೇ ಕಾಸು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಾವೇ ಓಡಿಸಿ ನಾವೇ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ಬೇಕು.
Okay. So you guys sit always like this. Do not change your sitting position. Okay. So I have to tell you some things because this is colleague side chambers and this is part cross tip and down on the floor. You always sit on side chambers. And after you have a 3 commands: pedal, helmet, check-ins. If you are non-swimmer, so that time this check-ins working. Please do not remove and throw on the water. Okay, always wear the check-ins. And next you have a helmet in case you fall out. That time your head sometime hit on the rocks. That time this helmet save your head. So don't remove. Okay. And next, this is most important on the river. So if you are rowing, then we can move. If you are not rowing, so we don't move. Okay. So first about how to hold your pedal, it's I have a 3 part: T-grip, shaft and blade. Okay, blade part always water signs all the time. Okay, and first you have to put your thumbs under the thumb on the T-grip and top of the finger grab on the T-grip. All right, and next near the blade under the thumb put on the shafts down sides and top of the finger grab on the shafts. Can you show me upside, guys? Okay, this is calling holding position pedal. Okay, you never ever change. Okay, and commands is stop. First command, so that time you have to put your pedal down on your thigh. Okay, there is one more command: forward. How to do forward? You just lean front. You just lean front side and dip on the water blade and water pull front to back. So there is one more command is back pedal. How to do back pedal?
Ready, 3, 2, 1, action. 1, 2,
Okay,
3.
stop. Okay. Next command is get down. Get down.
Up,
Okay.
up like up this.
So there is one more command: jump right, jump left.
Huh?
Jump right, jump left.
Yes, if you are going to the rocky sides and that time sometimes this raft stuck on the rocks. That time I have a command: jump right, jump left. So how to do, I have to show you and after you guys show. Okay? Can you sit this side? Okay. If I sit here, okay, so my side is right, left. So I have to tell to you jump right. So everyone, free your feet, do not lock your feet. And after knees bend down on the floor and go right side. You pull the rope, one hand.
Okay.
Okay? Hello guys, you got it 6 commands? Yes?
Okay, yes.
Yes, no.
Yes!
Okay, are you guys going today first time river rafting?
No, second time.
Second time. Today second.
Here?
Yes, here.
Okay, okay, I have to tell you one more thing. When you fall out, okay, this is normal. Sometimes this raft is topple. Normal. If you do rafting, so there is normal if this boat is topple. Sometimes you fall out, normal. Don't panic.
Okay.
When you guys outside the boat, if you fall out, so that time what happened with you? You going to inside the boat, close the waters, okay? So jacket is automatically followed outside, and that time look around where you are raft. That time you can swim and catch this rope.
Okay.
If little bit you are guys more fast, so that time you also swim and catch this rope. If you are not a swimmer, so you guys take white water swimming positions. leg your downstream, head your upstream, and right on the water like this. Okay. So sometimes
good students.
on your front have some rocks. You have to kick the rocks. If you have paddle and push the rocks, turn left, turn right. Do not climb over the rocks. Okay. So sometimes you guys not a swimmers, so you have to try to stand on the water. So there is gap rocks inside. So this leg sometimes stuck on the rocks. So do not stand on the water when you fall. Okay, we'll take white water swimming position. All right.
Okay.
Thanks, bro.
So now is lecture is finished. We're gonna go down on the river.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, give me paddle 5. Okay, I have to introduce myself. Myself is Sunil Raina. You can call me Raina as well, no problem. So, can you tell your name? What is your name?
Niharika Reddy.
Huh?
Niharika Reddy.
Hi, I am Aditya.
Aditya.
Aryan.
Aryan.
Sujit Gaudro.
Sujit
Gaudro.
Godro.
Devika.
Devika.
Manasa.
Manasa.
Prajwit.
Rajwell. Okay, today we need to save this ride and we need lots of fun on the river. And we are good team. You guys follow the guide rules and follow the guidelines. So we are good team. Say loudly. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Okay, come on, move on forward. 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 Together, guys. Good rowing, guys. Very good. Nice rowing. Come on, jump. Yes. 1, 2, 3, go. Jump. Yeah. Very good. 1, 2, 3, go. Come on, jump. Woohoo.
Okay, guys.
Jump, guys. 1, 2, 3, yes. Hey, here. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Come on. Oh, very nice. Good job. Sweet. Yes. We are near. We're gonna go Dandeli first rapid. Are you excited, guys? Yeah! So we need this rapid will directly safe and nice. And you are ready?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna go down on the white water. Okay, 1, 2, 3, loudly! Okay, everyone, come on, move it forward faster, guys. Forward faster. Faster, come on, together. Fast forward, fast. Forward. Okay, stop, guys. Come on, get down. Everybody get down.
On a new adventure.
Okay, come on, everyone, do forward. Come on. Forward faster. Okay, stop, guys. Stop. Forward, guys. Okay, stop, guys. Stop.
How many kilometers, brother?
5.5.
ಇನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬಂದಿರೋದೇ
ಕ್ರೇಜಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ದು ಆ ಥರ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು.
ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ನೀವೇನು ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ.
भाई हमारा भी एक बार फ्लिप करो भाई.
Some guys have
ನೀನ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ
ಸುಜಿತ್ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸುತ್ತಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಯಾರು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾನೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಹತ್ತಿ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಹತ್ತಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಅದು ಸೀದಾ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಸೀದಾ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರು ಹತ್ತಿಸ್ಕೊಬೇಕು
ಅವರೇ ಸುದ್ದಿ ನೀರು ಬಿದ್ದಿರೋದು
ಬರಕ್ಕ ಅವ್ನು ಇಬ್ರು ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ಸಿರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಏ ನಂಬಾಯ್ತೇನ ಅದು
ಇದು ನಮ್ದಲ್ಲ
ನಮ್ಮವ್ರು ಯಾವ ಕಲರ್ ಬೋಟ್ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡೇವೆ
COVID did that things, guys.
Let me go, it's my time. Watch me build another life. Find another space, explore the
Yeah. Okay, everyone, back pedal. Come on, back pedal, everyone. Okay, come on, everyone, forward. 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 Okay, stop, stop, stop. Okay, paddle forward. Okay, stop. Get down, everyone. Get down. Come on, come on, come on. Move faster forward. Together, 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 guys. Come on, move it. Forward, 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 forward. Okay, stop, stop. Get down, guys. Get down. Okay, back to position. Forward, forward.
in the rhythm. I don't think of you. Let me go. It's a new adventure.
Adventure. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! Okay, come on, guys. Move on. Back pedal. Back pedal, everyone. Backs. I say back.
back back
Okay, stop, stop, stop. Again, give me pedal 5, guys. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! Okay, all back, back pedal, back pedal, back pedal, back pedal. Okay, stop and move on. Forward, guys. Forward, forward, forward. Forward, forward, forward team, forward team, forward team. Come on, move it, team. Move on, move on, move on. Okay, stop, guys, stop, stop, stop. Okay, everyone, back pedal, back pedal, back pedal, back pedal, back. Okay, stop, 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 guys. Okay, back pedal, back. Okay, everyone, get down, get down. Okay, get back. Okay, all back pedal. Come on, team, move it.
ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಪಡಲ್ ಬೇಗ
Okay, move on forward, guys, forward.
ಸೂಪರ್
Together, guys. Come on. Forward, guys. Forward. Okay, stop. Okay, come on, forward, guys. Once again, forward, faster. Forward, guys. Come on. Forward. Together, guys. Come on, move it. Move it. Continue, guys. Come on. Team. Move it. Move it, team. Come on. Little bit more, guys. Come on, team. Move it. Okay, stop, guys. Stop. Once again, come on, forward again. Stop. And forward. Okay, guys. Are you good, guys? Yeah! Okay, give me pedal 5 again. 1, 2, 3, yeah! Lock your legs nice and tight, okay? Okay, come on, move it forward, guys. Forward. Okay, get down, get down, get down, get down. Okay, get back, get back. Get back. Okay, everyone back pedal, back pedal. Okay, pedal forward again, forward, forward. Forward, 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 guys, come on. Move it, move it, move it, move it. Together, together. Forward, forward, faster, fast forward. Forward, 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 team. Okay, get down, get down, get down. Okay, get back. Okay, everyone back pedal, back. Back pedal, back. Hello guys, back pedal. Stop and forward, guys. Forward, forward, forward. Okay, stop, stop, stop. How you feeling, guys? Good? Give me pedal 5 again. 1, 2, 3, yeah. Okay, come on, forward, guys, forward. Forward, 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 guys, forward. Stop, 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 stop. Okay, forward again, forward. Stop, stop, stop. Stop. Get back to position, back to position. 4th rapids, guys, here, look here. Hey. Okay, give me about 5, guys, come on. 1, 2, 3, yeah. Okay, hold tight, guys, hold tight. Okay, come on, forward, guys, forward. Forward, forward, guys. Faster forward. Move it. Okay, stop, guys, stop. Okay, everyone back pedal, back pedal. Okay, stop, stop, stop. Get down, get down, get down. Okay, get back, get back. Okay.
On a new adventure.
Okay, back pedal, team. Back pedal, back. Back pedal, back. Back pedal, back. Okay, stop. Okay, oh, you all, hello guys, you all guys turn your face my side. Turn your face my side. Okay, अपने legs को ऐसे डालो. Okay, तो आप तो पीछे जाओ, पीछे. Yes, आप भी भैया पीछे जाओ. हाँ, yes. एक पैर बाहर. Pedal पकड़ो, pedal. Everyone hold pedal. Okay, come on, move on forward, guys. Forward. Okay, stop, stop. Okay. We have last one rapids over there. Okay, we're gonna hit that rapids and exit dropping. Okay, so you guys turn your that side, your face. Okay, come on, forward, forward. Look, everyone turns the guide pedal, come on. Okay, we have last one rapids over there, okay? So we are a good team. Okay, say loudly. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Very good, guys. Woohoo! Okay, take your position, guys, huh? Okay, come on, move on forward, guys. Forward. Forward, forward. Forward. Okay, come on, get down, everybody get down. Okay, get back, get back, get back. Okay, come on, forward. Forward, forward, forward. Forward, forward, forward.
On a new adventure.
Forward, forward, forward. Okay, stop, guys, stop.
On a new adventure.
Okay, paddle forward, guys. Forward. Okay, guys, here is the finish, the right. Okay, give me everyone last time, paddle 5. Come on, paddle 5. Okay. We have to go right today, okay. So 1, 2, 3, yo! Okay.